since I'm doing whitening at the practice now, I wanted to make sure that everyone is aware that if you smoke a bunch of blunts and you drink coffee all the time and you love drinking red wine and you try to whiten your teeth, it's not gonna work. Okay? It might work a little, but it's not gonna work drastically. So I just wanted to make sure to get everyone's assessment of what their whitening is going to actually do accurate, okay? You are not gonna go drastically whiter than you are. You're gonna go probably a shade whiter, okay? Maybe 2 shades whiter, but it's really gonna come down to what you do at home. And we're also gonna be selling kits, whitening kits that you can take home and do for yourself. So, pretty big things coming here at Franklin.Dental Care and Dentures. But again, just realize the things that you do at home matter. That's all I'm saying. Take care of yourself.